Same order.
Your Lordship, on behalf of the petitioner, she is the respondent.
Oh, she's responding. Your response number?
JHDC. JHDC.
Your JHDC. Response number what? What? You do not know. What is the matter about?
It's about illegal issuing of LHCs, Your
This
Lordship.
is for cancellation of quota.
LHCs,
Landholding certificate.
landholding certificate.
So why village is?
Father not friend is appearing for respondent 4 and 5.
Yes. Just said the request made on behalf of the respondent and not objected to by the learned counsel of the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. After? When?
2 weeks.
Yes, after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of items 7 and 8, Lordship. These are connected matters.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Why? Why?
Lordship, we'll need some more time to prepare the matter, Lordship.
2019 matter. How much
Lordship.
more time you need? What is the matter about?
Lordship, this is regarding eviction from Forest Colony, Lordship. The petitioners are
Pertaining to
residents.
forest land, my lord.
Is there any other identical matter?
My lord, 4 matters are together as of now, my lord.
Was
I'm
there
not
a
aware.
matter where this court had played a part? Sure.
I'll check. My lord, will kindly allow me to check from the orders.
Budget is regarding that short round forest.
Exactly. Just verify, probably. Just time. Yes.
Lordship, 2 weeks.
No objection. Same order on the prayer of the petitioner made on behalf of the petitioner and not objected to with the learned counsel appearing with the respondents. This after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Acknowledge, my lord.
Item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
My lord, I had applied for certified copy of the order dated 16/7/24, but till 11th, the copy section hasn't been able to get the case file. And thereafter, there had been holidays. So, and asked for time actually. I may be given 2 weeks time. my
Certified
lord.
copy of what?
Certified copy of the order dated 16/7/2024. The date when the hearing was concluded.
This matter is about what? This is what matter? What you are challenging here?
The hearing took place on 16/7/2024. Thereafter, order has not been passed.
No, no.
I
What
wa-
is what
I-
is your prayer before this court? What is this is criminal petition, isn't it?
That the court below may be asked to expedite the case as soon as possible, and some relief may be given to the petitioner who is suffering because of not getting maintenance from her husband.
Which order you have applied for certificate copy? What is the order?
That non-passing of order, that is my grievance. Because
Non-passing of order means you filed a case.
about
and that
8 months gone after the hearing, since July, no order has been passed regarding the jurisdiction of the court. The case has not
So who raised the
progressed at
question
all.
of jurisdiction? Who raised the question of jurisdiction?
Opposite parties.
Who is appearing for the opposite party?
No, it has not been moved.
Anyway, then opposite parties. Acha, the notice has not gone here.
Notice has not.
So okay, we'll issue notice then. You take steps,
Yes.
and meanwhile you apply that certificate
Yes,
copy. Now, hard Mr. Pikibara, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the How many respondents are there? 3 respondents.
3 respondents.
Upon the respondents within 2 days. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
You apply the copy with the meanwhile.
I have already applied. Maybe by next week I'll get.
Yes.
Item number 2.
Matter has been fixed for filing of paper book. Lordship, if your Lordship's permission, I may file this in the court today.
You submit it in the registry.
Okay, your Lordship.
It is ready.
Yes, your Lordship.
This London Council applying for the appellant submits that the paper book is ready and will be submitted during the course of the day.
Your Lordship, I pray that
And
this
will be filed during the course of the day. Shall we list it for, or you will shall we list for
Lordship,
hearing, or you would like to go through it before we
Go
pass?
through it, my lord, and then compare with the LC record.
Just in view of the submission, this is matter after a week. You file it today, it will be listed after a week and then a week.
Yes, your Lordship.
Deploy.
Item number 5.
You will see, I send the notice. You will see.
Yes. Okay. Respondent number 2. You'll be appearing for Mr.
I'm appearing
Singhal?
for respondent number 1, well,
Who is 2?
It's a private party.
private respondent.
Notice has been served.
Yeah.
That is why.
Notice I have sent you. See.
No, have you checked these things? This official note indicates that is received already. What is the matter about? What is your prayer here, Mr. Devnath?
This here, this is the business application for continuation of delay. If I consider the obtaining the certified copy, then it is within the time. But considering the date of order, it will be some delay. So that's
What
why
is the order you are challenging in this?
I have challenged the order due to this, Your Lordship. My ancestor was expert, and after this,
No, what is the order you are challenging? What is the order?
I'm challenging the order of the this land acquisitions and reference was made. And in this, I
Special judicial officer order. Mr. Singhal, what is it?
My lord, file for implement, my lord, that was not considered.
Implement.
it was
In land acquisition proceeding.
Land
And it
acquisition
was rejected.
procedure. Yes, ma'am.
And this opposite party here they are the claimant there. It was a matter of a reference.
There's some dispute, my lord, title dispute also is, my lord, there. Some cases also. My lord, if this matter can come up, let us wait for some time because this notice has been served. We can go for hearing, my lord, there.
Okay, first you will have to dispose of this condonation application.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, the office note, this will be in miscase 1, miscase 7. The main case, the order has been passed till now. Still it's in miscase 7 of 125. The office note indicates that the notice upon respondent number 2 has been served. Stop, however, none entered appears on behalf of the said respondent when the matter is called out. When shall we have it?
when it did.
After 2 weeks, ma'am.
Okay, let's wait for the. Let's just say next list. This is matter after 2 weeks to enable appearance of the respondent number 2. It is respondent number or opposite party? It should be opposite party.
Opposite party.
The miscase. It should be opposite party. Any respondent should make it opposite party.
Publish.
Number 6.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this case, I was supposed to file the service of notice upon the respondent 3 and 4. So I verified from the service report and it has been served upon them. I'm supposed to file the affidavit, but my affidavit is ready, but I'm unable to file it today because my client is out of station. So within one of these days when my client comes back, then I'll file it.
Yes. The London Council for the petitioner prays for and granted further warning time for filing an affidavit of service.
Apply.
Hearing item number 9.
Look, this is an application for quashing of FIR. Mr. Sen was appearing in this matter. He's on sanctioned leave. I don't know whether anybody's.
Yes, I lingua was also there probably.
My lord, it seems due to some personal difficulty, the council with the brief is not present today. So, in brief,
Why not, Mr. Sen is on sanctioned leave. I don't have any objection.
So when shall you have it?
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Let's wait for on behalf of Mr. S. London GA appearing for the respondents. This is a matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 13.
Yes, Lordship.
The case of the petitioner is that, Lordship, petitioner was appointed as range assistant.
Was it hard?
Yes, Lordship, it was hard in the other bench.
In other bench, not in this
Other
bench.
bench. And as
Why
per
then-
the roster, now it has come to this.
No,
court.
but then
It was not part hard.
It was part hard.
Not
No,
part
it was
hard.
not part hard.
It was not met part hard. And
It appears that there are notings also made by.
yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. The petitioner was appointed as a range assistant and posted at Social Forestry Range, Holidanga, on by an office order dated office order number 82 dated 21st February 1986, which is at Annexure 1, page 14.
Yes.
The name of the petitioner is at serial number 3.
Manavendra Sangipta.
Yes, Lordship. So he was appointed, and page 16, Annexure 2, by an office order number 19 dated 15 January 1993. The following officiating incumbents are substantively appointed as permanent LDS RS with effect from the date and against the vacancy indicated against each sanctioned by government letter number so and so. So his name is at serial number 56.
1993.
Yes, Lordship. So his service was
This is 15
Confirm.
January 1993. He is serial number.
Serial number 56.
Yes.
So by now, Lordship, the petitioner has completed 34 years of service. So he is entitled under the ACPS scheme and MSCPS schemes for financial upgradation.
He has not been given any financial
And
arbitration or no.
after 10 years, after 20 years, and
He has not
30
been
years.
promoted.
No, no.
Even
no,
for.
not promoted. He has remained stagnant in the same post.
Okay. Why? Any reason for not promoting?
Not promoting, maybe the post was not there. So thereafter, Lordship, so he had attained superannuation on 31st January 2020.
January 2020.
2020.
Okay. One of you. Yes.
Now, in the year 2019, a departmental proceeding was initiated against him.
Before his retirement.
Because of a filing of an FIR against him in the William Nagar PS, which was registered as William Nagar PS case number 3910 of 2019 under section 468, 471, 409 IPC. That he had, the allegation against him is that he had forged a check of the officials and he had withdrawn the amount of rupees 5,21,000. So he was placed under suspension and departmental proceeding was initiated against him. Then, Lordship, para number 6 of the writ petition, it was mentioned that by an order of the disciplinary authority pass order dated 3/3/2021 and penalty was imposed upon him. Surely they think yes, record has been called.
Let's say I am pleased to intervene. In this case, the matter has been heard in another bench and the record has been called. But now the record was with me for quite a long time. I have returned back the record. So if I may be allowed to place the record, I think in that way.
Yes, Lordship, record was called earlier also. Because two matters are connected. This relates to claiming of his pension and other dues. And the order issue passed by the disciplinary authority dated.
Why, what is the punishment?
Punishment was withhold of 2 increment and recovery of entire amount of rupees 5,21,000.
The amount of check.
That was a check.
And then?
So against this appeal was filed. Statutory appeal was filed. That appeal was not disposed of. So this writ petition has come up. That is the writ petition number 494, in which there is a prayer at prayer number 2 in the writ petition, that number C, disposal of statutory appeal filed by the petitioner. In the meantime, the respondent had disposed of the appeal, and thereafter in 2022 another writ petition was also filed challenging the order of the appellate authority as well as the disciplinary authority. So that is writ petition 208/2022. That is the second writ petition, connected writ petition.
What should be taken up first?
This should be taken up fast, but in the course of the hearing, Lordship, the record has been called. So my friend is saying that the record is not there. Record needs to.
That is all right. We'll go for record. But the thing is that the court should first understand the thing. Now, so far as your appeal is concerned, it was rejected.
It was rejected.
Now you have filed a writ petition challenging.
Challenging that one.
Now, until and unless the order passed by the departmental authority is interfered with, okay, what relief you expect here in this case?
Now, Lordship, the order passed by the disciplinary authority is relating to withhold of 2 increment. That does not speak about my pension and other dues. And also the other penalty imposed is recovery of 5 lakhs.
Now, if you're
so that amount the authorities can kept, and the rest of the amounts or entitlement could be granted.
That is all right.
That will be the final outcome of the WPC 208.
So you have no problem with this thing?
Yes, Lordship.
Return of that money?
Yes. Hi. It could be, since
but then your case is that the entire pensionary benefit
yes,
cannot be.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Abraham, that seems to be fair enough.
And in this case, what had happened is, Lordship, the petitioner pursued the matter. Now he had died, so wife has substituted.
The departmental person has been drawn up against this petitioner. No, that is okay. Punishment has been introduced. Now he is saying that you deduct that amount and give him whatever is entitled.
Because that will be decided in writ petition 208, the second writ petition which challenge. If your Lordship interferes with the order of the disciplinary authority and the appellate authority, then petitioner would be entitled to get the relief. relief. That is the
No, but then you just now you said that you have no problem if that amount is deducted and then
that they can keep it. The rest they can release.
no, then no. That comes as interim arrangement. Now we are at the final stage.
Yes.
So there is no question of going into all those things. If you are successful, you get.
Yes.
If you are not successful, you do not get.
So if the writ petitioner has agreed to of withholding to increment with the cumulative effect and the recovery of the entire amount of rupees 5,21,000, if
No,
he is not going to press on that, then I'll take instruction with
see,
regard
no,
to his pension and benefits.
No.
That would be-
Initial understanding of the court was also like that. But then he is not saying that. He said that in the meanwhile, before this matter is decided, you can do that.
Yeah, I'll take instruction because till then, when he
Anyway,
filed
we will
this,
not go for those
when he
interim
filed,
kind of arrangement at this stage.
when he filed this writ petition, his service was not regularized. Subsequently, it was
Record was called for what purpose?
about the departmental proceedings.
No, but then what for what purpose? Department, you see, like record normally may not be required until and unless something is to be verified.
Okay. And
So if record is not required, why the record should be called?
then with regard to that, I need to take instruction to let if this matter may come
But
after 2 weeks.
Regarding to what?
With regard to the other pension and benefits, at the time when he filed this writ petition,
That
his
is all
service
right.
was not
You take this.
regularized.
No, we'll give you time. There is not. But the thing is that, see, this present writ petition, the prayer is
page 10.
you see the question of this thing. MSCP is also involved here.
MSCP is be grant the
That
benefit.
your statutory appeal was only with regard to the punishment.
Punishment, Lordship.
It has nothing to do with your other things.
Other these two benefits.
Yes.
Relief.
So even if that punishment stands, your benefits which are supposed to be given to you as per in terms of MSCP, that will be there, isn't it?
Lordship.
What is the consequence of say supposing what is the punishment you said? The punishment was to
Withhold up to increment.
With cumulative effect.
with
Then-
cumulative effect.
Yes, with
So
cumulative
if you
effect.
say cumulative effect, what did it mean? Tell us, this court doesn't know anything.
That is in writ petition page 45. It has been specifically stated by the writ petitioner about the punishment that has been inflicted upon the incumbent petitioner, yes, delinquent officer.
Page 45.
45 years of lordship. Page 45 of the writ petition, that is paragraph 10 of the. If I'm pleased to read your lordship, withholding of 2 annual increment with cumulative effect. Number 2, recovery of entire amount of rupees 2 lakhs or 5,21,000 for the pecuniary loss caused by
You are reading
forgery.
page?
Page 45 of the writ petition, that writ petition number 494 of 2021.
Yes, 494.
494. Then if that
That's
is
paragraph 10.
paragraph 10, yes, lordship.
Yes.
Withholding of 2 annual increment with cumulative effect. The number 2, recovery of entire amount of rupees 5,21,000 of the pecuniary loss caused by forgery and unauthorized withdrawal of government money.
This
Which
order comes after retirement.
this was
So after retirement, if that order is passed, withholding increment would mean what?
this was passed not before his retirement, your lordship, when he was in service.
It is after his retirement. He retired, separated in 2020, 31/1/2020. And this order has been passed in 2021.
21.
Now, in 2021, if you pass an order for withholding annual increment, what it would mean? And which way you will give effect to that?
This that
Para 6.
retired. Where did you mention retired?
Yes, Mr. Upadhyay, which way this order can be given effect to? If this order
Since
of
he has
punishment,
retired, Lordship, withholding of 2 annual increment does not make any sense, Lordship.
that see, like we do not know. You see, you have to make us understand. That is withholding with cumulative effect after retirement.
After retirement.
Now, how it will be implemented? Yes, Mr. Abraham,
Yes, Your Lordship.
please explain us. We do not know.
I may be given 2 weeks time so that I'll take a.
This is your order of punishment. How we will implement it?
I'm finding
Just assume that Mr. Upadhyay's case is dismissed. Now it comes to you to implement this order. Which way you implement it?
because when he was retired, this it was not mentioned in the writ petition. So when he was the petitioner retired.
No,
so
but then that is what has been submitted by Mr. Upadhyay
Yes,
here.
it was
Superannuated on 31
5
1
of the
2020.
para 5. Is he retired?
because this let me go through because I have forgotten. I was out
We
of
can
touch this file.
understand.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We'll give you time. But then just try to understand what sense it carries. That is what. This court does not have much idea about service matters. Whatever you say, the court will go by it. Yes. When shall we have it?
Then it can
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You have
Meantime,
to. There are many
prepare
things you
my
have
case.
to explain.
1 week, Lordship.
Huh?
1 week.
Meantime, I'll just prepare my case because
pension
One
matter.
week may
I
not
was
be
Then 2 weeks, Lordship.
possible. No, 1 week not be possible.
No. We have started at least. So
No, that is okay. We should first understand first
yes,
get the
Lordship.
facts.
Yeah, we started.
No.
So
There will be many queries you have
yes,
to
Lordship.
clarify it. At the request of Mr. H. Abraham Larnett, GA, pen for the state respondents, list this matter after 2 weeks. The records we will call if it is needed.
yes, Your Lordship.
Otherwise not. But then probably before we come to this matter, we should first see the other matter. At least first we have to deal with your punishment,
Yes,
department of punishment. Then only come to the other. And whether you see like the punishment, if it stands, whether it would have any bearing on the implementation of MSCP or NEO or not. That also has to be seen. Please look into all those things.
I will pledge, Your Lordship.
Item number 22.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the pleadings are not completed because we still haven't got counter from the state. If the state doesn't wish to file a counter, then my lord, I can go ahead. We can call for records and I can.
My goalpost would be 1, my lord, only. I cannot hit with 3 goalposts, my lord. My lord senior is trying to hit in the 3 goalposts. I have only 1 goalpost. If I can succeed in the first one, my lord, then my lord, my matter ends.
Lordship, the only player is this. He's talking about football. I'm a cricket player and a golf player. The whole format is different. Oblige, Lordship.
In golf, they will have 18 holes, my lord. They can improve their case again and again.
Oblige.